Welcome back, kings and queens. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today I'm doing a personalized scarf for my niece. That's my heat press warming up. I have this scarf from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to put some parchment paper over it. I just want to take the moisture out right now, so I'm only going to do a few seconds. And then take it off. So this is $3.50, and I set my heat press for 30 seconds. I just want to see where that's going to get me, and I'm still going to cover this back up. Typically when I'm doing HPV, I don't cover it up, but some Dollar Tree materials can have a lower melting point, and I don't want to actually melt the scarf. So I'm doing $3.50 for 30 seconds, and I'm going to see where it's going to get me. I don't want to put any additional pressure on my heat press, because I know sometimes when we use our heat presses, people say light pressure, medium pressure, whatever. But depending on how you're feeling on any particular day, you could be adding more or less pressure than you would the day before. So I'm going to take this off and see what I got here. What I like about the vinyl, this is Caesar vinyl. The carrier sheet usually lifts up when it's done, and I don't have any lifting going here. So I'm going to go back in for an additional 30 seconds. And again, I don't want to add any more pressure to it, just so I can see what I'm working with here. And I want to be mindful. I have my heat press pushed all the way up. I want to be mindful not to have it directly on the scarf, even though I think it'd be okay to take the heat. I just want to be careful not to melt the material. So we're down about 5 seconds, and we'll see what we get. All right. So taking it off. Now let's see. I know these things are hot. Let's see if I can peel it back. My carrier sheet still got some ways to go, so I'm gonna give it some more heat, some more time. Okay, so I've already started peeling this back. I pressed it for another 30 seconds, and I think I would have been good just doing 15 more seconds and letting this cool before I peeled it. I said this was Caesar vinyl, but I actually believe this might have been some leftover Cricut vinyl that I had. I had some of this cut and set to the side, so I couldn't remember actually what kind of vinyl it was. But I believe this was Cricut vinyl. So, came out pretty good. I probably would not put the heat on for so long. Again, I did 30 seconds 3 times, so 30, 60, 90 seconds. I don't think it needed that additional 30 seconds. I probably would have done the 60 seconds, maybe a little bit higher temperature, and let it cool before I peeled it. But personalized scarf, there you go. I hope this helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and you guys have a great day.